Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, it's been a while and I've missed you all. Hope everyone is doing well. Yeah, I just thought to pop back here on YouTube and catch up with y'all. So yeah, I'm so happy to be back. I mean, since my last video, I think it was either at the end of January or early February, I want to say. But you know, a lot of things have happened. I mean, crazy things have happened. You know, some things have happened in my life, not so crazy as the things that are happening in the world, but I'm so happy to be back here. I miss doing YouTube. Things just got really busy. But anyways, a lot more on that later. So right now it's 9 o'clock in the morning and I'm right outside my gym. I've been going to the gym consistently, at least 2 to 3 times a week, and then do other things in between. On Mondays, I do upper body, which is mostly arms and back. And on Wednesdays, I do lower body, which is just legs and some core. And Fridays, I usually do like a whole body thing. And in between, I do either cardio or I just rest. You know, it all depends because my schedule has been kind of crazy. So I just try to fit it in as much as I can. But it's been really good and I've been feeling really well. It's become part of my lifestyle. So I just love it a lot. But anyways, I gotta get in there and get my sweat on. Oh, I just finished working out. Oh my god, I look like a ninja with sunglasses. Get stuck behind my earrings and my sunglasses and everything else. Get off my face. Got it. These glasses are Desi. Right here says Desi. And this is the line of sunglasses from Desi Perkins. Oh my god, I love her sunglasses. These are the fallback. I have a few of them. I think I have the 2000s and another one, an aviator one. But these are the fallback and I just love it because it does cover most of my eye area and it's dark and it's great. I just love the style. Now I think she launched different styles, so I can't wait to check those out and get some. But yeah, these are my favorites. And I gotta say, I put these through hell. Like, I went to the beach, they have fallen in the sand, they have been stepped on, they have been like on hikes, you know, with dirt and everything else, and they've lasted long. It's a little scuffed here at the bottom. I'm not sure if it's here or here. But they've lasted a long time, and for the price, I think it is a good purchase. Well, it's almost 10 o'clock. Now I'm gonna go home and make a protein smoothie because I didn't have breakfast, and that's gonna be my breakfast. And then I'll just have a bigger lunch. But yeah, I'm ready to go home. So this is the protein I use. This is vanilla. They also have in chocolate, but this one is my favorite. I'm gonna use a little bit of soy milk, antioxidant fruit blend, frozen, and a banana. And I might just add water if it's too thick. Really good. I was starving. So right now I'm gonna work on the computer. I'm gonna check some emails. I'm gonna submit my stuff for auditions, and then I'm going to take a shower and try on some makeup that I got, new makeup, and also go over a script I have to do an audition for. So that's gonna be fun. All right, so I got this new fan. It has really good reviews. So I'm gonna check it out and see how good it is. It is Alaska. All right, so I put batteries on this remote control. So now I'm gonna see how it works. Let's see if it works. They said it's, They said in the reviews that it's pretty silent. Yes, it makes noise. Alright, since that's making noise, that's not gonna work, so I'm just gonna have to return it. I'm gonna try and use this because it's really warm today, so I really need something to keep me cool. Oh my god, little fan for the win! Oh my god, so cute! I connected it to my laptop, and look, it has 3 speeds. 2, 3. So cute. Alright, so I wanted to show you some things that I got from Amazon. I'm gonna put it all in one box because they all came in different boxes. TVH. This is a hazelnut cocoa spread, you know, like Nutella. So good. And what's great about it is it has no palm oil, 3 times the protein, 50% less sugar, 100% vegan, and 1000% delicious. And it's so good and creamy. My kids love this. And I love it too. So it's really, really good. Highly recommend it. Got scissors because my scissors were not cutting anymore. So I needed that. Oh, I love this floss here. This is my favorite. It is the Humble Company. And they're floss picks with plant-based materials. So it's pretty cool. I like these. This one is Vegan Collagen Boost. And I've been wanting to try this. So I'll let you know if this works. Then I got this kit right here. It is these tips for your fingernails. These are cotton pads that you soak acetone with. And then you clip these on like this. And you just let them soak. So it removes the gel. I was getting tired of using aluminum foil. So when I saw these, I was like, I need to get these. I think that's, oh, I got a card reader because my card reader just stopped working. And I got this hub extension, which I'm excited about because it's tiny, it's condensed. It's a USB port. Plug this in your computer and you have an extension for 2 more. I only have 2 USB ports in my laptop, so I definitely needed this. Oh, and it has one on top, so it's 1, 2, and 3. All right, so now it's time to put my makeup on because I have an audition to do. And I'm running out of time. So I'm putting sunblock first. And this is the Black Girl Sunscreens for kids, 50 FPF. And I love the sunscreen. I've been using it for quite a while. So it's one of my favorites. So I'm gonna apply. And I love it because it doesn't have any cast. It's so good. To my neck. My nose. I notice I usually ignore this part a lot. So now I make a conscious effort to make sure I apply there. Love it. I just showered and I let my hair air dry, and after I finish doing my makeup, I'll go and fix it up. I just didn't want to apply more heat on it. It is pretty warm outside, so I just didn't want to start sweating. All right, now I'm gonna try this new ELF Camo Powder Foundation. I don't know if you guys ever used it. I thought it looked interesting, especially because I don't want to have shininess when I'm on camera, so I thought I'd try it. This one is the Light 240W. Let's see if it's a match. I think it's gonna be a good match. I mean, I picked it out online, so we're gonna see if it matches. How do you use it? Use included sponge to build coverage for an airbrushed finish. All right, let's see how this works. Where should I start? I don't want to put primer because I'm not going to keep my makeup long. Let's see, I'll start here. Wow. Not bad. Gonna do one side of my face and compare it. See how it looks. I just hope it doesn't cling on to the drier areas of my face. Look around my nose. Wow, it's really good. I'm very impressed. Let me look at it close. Around my nose looks good. I only see clinging a little bit here, which I have a little bit of dryness. I always do. But it's not a big deal. Well, I'm gonna keep my makeup neutral today because in the audition, she is wearing very minimal makeup, but heavy eye makeup. I'm not gonna make it as heavy, like a full glam. I'm just gonna give myself like an exaggerated wing. I'm not wearing concealer today because it's minimal makeup. I think it's medium coverage. I don't think it's full coverage. I really like it. It's going to my main makeup kit. And now I'm gonna put on some blush, and I'm gonna use this one, this ELF bite-sized blush and highlighter combo. And this is in Spiced Apple. All right, now I'm gonna move on to my brows, and I'm gonna use this brow lift. And I was very interested in using this because I like to gel my brows. I'm gonna see how it works. So I'm gonna use this little bully thingy. Am I supposed to use this? I'm not sure. But I'll try it. Wow, this is much better than the soap from Revolution I was using. Like that. Wow. I really love this. Going into my main makeup kit. And now I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows, and as usual, I'm gonna use my ELF Lock and Liner and eyebrow cream in, what's this called? Medium brown. Medium brown. So yeah guys, I'm so pumped to be back on YouTube. I feel that life got really busy. I've been doing a lot of auditions, some work, and it's been a lot of fun. I'm very grateful for all the opportunities that have come my way and all the experience. And I've also been training very hard in the craft of acting. It was just a lot of things that my brain had to process. A lot of information, new information, and a lot of reading I've done. I think the reason why I stopped doing YouTube is just because it became a lot. At the same time, I took time to take care of my mental health because there was a lot of things going on in the world. You guys know what's been happening. It's just been very crazy, very sad for a lot of things. And I think that took a toll on my mental health. I feel very sad, very sad for a while. And I just took time. You know, time for my brain to process everything, and now I feel like I'm in a much better place. I feel more inspired. I feel that also I was able to process a lot of information from the craft of acting, that it has become a little easier now to navigate that field. Now I feel that I'm inspired to come back and just do fun things, and yeah, it's something that I really enjoyed doing YouTube. So I don't know about my content, which direction I'm going. I don't really want to do all the time makeup because I noticed that since 2020, like, people have not used a lot of makeup. I don't use a lot of makeup, only when I really go out, or sometimes I just keep it very minimal. But I love trying new products, and yeah, maybe here and there I will throw in some makeup videos just for fun, but I don't know. I'm still figuring things out, but I think that I'm gonna come back and try to do different things here and there. Maybe more like vlog style, because I feel like that's easier, even though I really don't know much how to do it. I'm just learning as I go. So I feel like that's gonna be fun. Maybe I'm gonna put in some acting content. By no means I am no pro at acting. I'm still learning. I am a student of the craft, but I will share some funny stuff here and there. I think it'll be hilarious. Yeah, I've been working. I've been doing short films. I have other projects coming up, callbacks, and a lot of auditions. And auditioning has been so good for me. It's been like really good practice, which I enjoy doing a lot, and a lot of opportunities have come from those. Okay, I think I need to stop messing with these brows. Oh, I didn't try this product. Let me see. I also found these at Target, and I'm gonna see how this works. This is the Fine Bristle Tip Pen, and this is from Arches and Halos. It's like there's a fine tip, just to make hair strokes. I mean, I forgot about this, so let me see how it works. Oh, okay. Not bad. Oh, I did it crooked. I think I need practice. Yeah, I'm gonna have to practice more with this. All right, so I really like this foundation. This powder foundation is great. I think for camera, it's really good. All right, I'm gonna do a wing with the same product I use for my brow. All right, so those are my wings. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes because time is going. All right, and I also picked up this new mascara by ELF. This is the Big Mood Volume and Lifting Mascara, and this is the waterproof. I noticed that with waterproof mascara, my lashes stay curled longer. Oh yeah, and by the way, I haven't really done a lash lift in a while, because last time I did it, for some reason, it didn't stay that curled. I don't know why, but I just forgot about it and just haven't done it again. So I might do it again, probably maybe like next month, and see how I like it. This is in color black, and also got the non-waterproof ones in color black and brown. Brown because I love that type of mascara for everyday looks. Like, I think it makes your lashes look natural. I already like the wand. So fluffy. I really love fluffy wands. I think they give you the most volume. Oh, it's really good. Let me show you. That's really good. I like it. Look at that. This is really nice. Wow, I really like that. That's really, really nice. In my kit. Alright, so now, oh yeah, I also got an extra of this. This is the Day to Night Lipstick Duo, which it has 2 colors. I already finished one. This is my second one. I need it. But this is my favorite for acting, for auditioning, for, you know, when I'm on set. This is the one I use all the time. And this one is a night, which is such a cute color. And this one is the daytime. Such a nice neutral color. One of my favorite, ultimate favorite products for sure. And sometimes I mix both of them in and they make such a pretty color. I also got this lip filler liner by ELF. Yeah, I ordered a few things from ELF because I saw a lot of things that I have not used and tried. And this is in color soft pink. And I also got a glossy lip stain in Pinkies Up. So I'm gonna try them together and see. I thought they'd probably make a good combo. It's a triangular shape. How do you use this? It has so many angles. It's a really nice color. Where's the box? What does it say here? Directions: lips, liner, lipstick. The most perfect love triangle there is. Use a tip of the unique triangular shape to line lips, or use a full triangle to fill the rest of the lips. I'm gonna fill it all in now. It's a pretty color. I love it. And now I'm gonna use the lip gloss, and it comes like this. And it has a little window to show you the color. Feels very wet on the lips. I mean, it's not a matte, it's a gloss. Feels pretty good. I like it. It's very neutral. I think I'm gonna keep this on for my audition. Yeah, a lot of these products are really, really good. My favorite is the foundation. I'm sure if I put an oil control primer on, you know, it'll be more matte, but I just like how it looks. I'm very happy with these products. I'm gonna see if I could retouch a little bit on my forehead to see if it takes that shine away. Yep. Here. Oh yes. I think for summer, it's really, really good. Oh, and it also comes with a mirror. So yeah, you can take it anywhere and just apply it. Highly recommend it. All right, so I think I'm gonna stop it here. I have to get my hair ready and do my audition. And I'm just super pumped to be back on YouTube. You know, I'm super excited to create more content for you guys. So please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.